Today, we're starting our super fun car adventure. We're going to drive to exciting places, test all kinds of cool cars, and face silly dangers along the way. We'll travel through mountains, cities, and even volcanoes. Come, join me and my best friend Pablo for an amazing, action-packed trip. Let's go.
We're starting our super fun car adventure from the desert, jungle, and streets at unbelievable speed. Wow! I love my speed with this big tire car. And look at this green car. It's super fast. I'm so happy. I love exciting places. And the adventure is starting now here with my car and Pablo with his super fast and powerful car are heading straight into the jungle. Pablo, your car is really powerful and can get through all the tough obstacles. You really have a strong car, but I'm going faster than you. Come on, try to overtake me.
Wow, driving through the desert with all these sands and hills is amazing. I'm having so much fun, but this is an endless thrill. Let's experience it. Try to get ahead of me. Hurry up. Try to catch up with me. Hurry up. We want to go to more places, so you have to be fast. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Be careful not to crash into the other cars and run even faster. We're heading into the snow, and I want to feel the speed and excitement there. Let's go!
Snowmobiles move so fast, it feels like I'm sliding on ice. You're moving super fast too. I'm so happy to be here. Get ready for a jump with the snowmobile over the hill. Just be careful, our speed is really high. Keep moving with me and match my speed because we need to reach the Diamond Valley. That's where we'll switch our vehicles and cross the valley.
Wow! Look at us! We're riding our snowmobiles and jumping over all these snowy hills. 1, 2, another big jump. I feel like I'm flying over the snow. This is so much fun. Keep up with me. Don't fall behind. Let's do one more jump together, yes. I'm having the best adventure ever.
Look at this crystal valley I told you about. It's so beautiful as we speed through it. Be careful not to hit the crystals or your vehicle might get damaged. Drive carefully.
Wow! Now we're testing these flying cars. They're super fast and really powerful. They can take us all the way to the galaxy. Their strong fuel makes them even stronger and faster. Hold on tight! Because we're about to zoom through the sky like rockets. This is amazing. I've never felt speed like this before. Let's go!
Wow! Look at us spinning around the planets in our space cars. We're flying high in the sky and zooming between all these meteors. Our speed is amazing. Look at all the crazy things we're seeing out here in space. I'm having so much fun riding my space car, and Pablo's is awesome too. Hold on tight and enjoy the ride. It's the most exciting adventure ever.
Wow! Everything is amazing. I totally agree with you. Look at all these beautiful colors. It's like a rainbow cannon beneath our feet. We need to speed past them and explore an even more incredible new world. Let's go and discover it. Together!
Okay, the cold, ice, and snow are done. Now I want to feel some heat and explore volcanoes. Driving through lava and tough rocks. Let's be a little brave. Are you ready? Let's do this. Just be careful not to let your car tires sink into the molten lava or it will slow you down. The lava has come out of the volcano and spread everywhere. We need to get past it very carefully. You're driving really well.
Yes, your driving is amazing too. I can see you carefully passing through the lava. Great job. You're such a good driver.
Wow! Drive fast over the bridge. Be careful so your car tires don't get damaged. We need to get out of this place quickly. The smoke and lava can slow down our cars and we won't make it to the jungle. So press the gas as much as you can and stay with me. Hurry! It's getting really hot.
Now this volcano ride. That one was much better. Let's get out of here.
Give it a little more gas, you can get across this wooden bridge. You'll need to go back and forth once to free your car. After this, we're heading to the planet of the flying creatures, and we'll ride them and drive around. Wow, this creature is so cute. It has 4 legs and moves on the ground. Riding it is so much fun, and the flying bee is going super fast too. Can you control it? I think it's faster than mine. With its wings, it can move really strong and fast. I wish I could ride it. Okay, hurry, a tornado is coming and we need to get through it.
This is the tornado I told you about. It's coming straight at us. But we have to get through it, because our cars are super fast, and it can't catch us. We're getting past it really well. It's still chasing us, so move faster. I see a bridge ahead. We need to get across it.
Okay, we need to cross this bridge quickly, because I want to take you on a ride with our underwater cars. We'll drive past sharks and fish and experience an underwater adventure. I promise it's going to be super exciting. The underwater world is amazing, and our super cool underwater cars may be a bit slow, but they're so much fun.
Wow, I like these more because they're like race cars and have cool colors, but they move really slowly. Well, if you don't like this, we should go to the racing track where we can ride real cars and have an exciting adventure. Let's go, buddy!
Run next to me at full speed so these race cars can't catch us. They're really fast, but we have magical powers, so we can go even faster. Let's each pick a car, one for me and a super fast one for you, and race together. I want to feel the speed with these ultra fast rally cars. This is amazing. Look how fast it goes.
Wow, look at us. You're in the orange car, and I'm in the black one. Let's race, side by side on this street. It's so exciting. Here comes the tunnel. Let's go through it. Oh, look at all these amazing lights inside. It's like a rainbow party. This is so much fun. I'm laughing so much. Keep up. Don't let me get ahead.
Wow, now we're on super fast motorcycles and cars racing down the street. Flames are shooting out of their exhausts and we're speeding like crazy. This is so thrilling.
Wow, today I've tried so many amazing cars. This one is super cute and really fast. I have to get one of these motorcycles for myself. I love them.
Look, we're going into a toy store at full speed, zooming between all the toys. Haha, this is amazing. And now we're hopping into a police car, still going super fast. I can't believe how exciting this is. I'm having the best time ever. Keep up, don't let me pass. Okay kids, I hope you had fun today. We'll be back soon with a new series of car adventures. Follow us to join the fun.
Play bees.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.